Welcome back. This is the third tutorial of NASA application, and now we will go for the Jaiza, which is the third option of this application. This Jaiza report is actually very helpful for encouraging your child for praying 5 times a day and doing some other healthy activities. All you need to do is you will fill it correctly, and for that first you will go to this calendar and you will select the current date. Please remember, you can only submit Jaiza for the current date. You cannot submit for the previous dates and you cannot submit for the upcoming dates. Select the current date and then after that you will mark the prayers which your child prayed, and then you will also mention the status of that prayer, how your child prayed that prayer, whether he prayed it alone or with Jamaat. So all you will mention, and then here in this column, if your child skipped any prayer, then you will type the reason for skipping the prayer. Now at the left side you can see some other activities. You will also mark these activities, whether your child read Quran, Hadith, did he studied his academic course, any literature, or did he played or no. You will mark this all, and after completing this report you can see this yellow save button. You will click at this yellow save button and the Jaiza report will be uploaded. If you want to check the previous Jaiza reports, again you will go to this calendar and you will select any previous date for which you are going to check the Jaiza. Then you will click at this yellow load button and the Jaiza report of that day will be loaded. Now we will go back to home for the next option, which is fee status. Actually this is the whole year fee status. You can check it from here and you can see this colorful pie chart. Each color is representing each month, and you can change these months from these arrows, and then when you will click at any color, it will show you the month name and the fee status, whether the fee is paid or unpaid. So you can check it from this option very easily. Then you will log out from this application by clicking at log out. Please download this application. Hope this tutorial would be very helpful for you. If you want to know anything else about the application, please call us at 0334 111 5555 or visit www.nasa.pk.